it's Maxine at Fabricland. I thought I'd inspire you today with some of our Christmas crafts and fabric kits we've got. So come and have a look. So we've got this lovely advent calendar that we've made out of our felt that you could put sweets in. We do a lovely quality craft felt, about 2mm thick, and we do matching felt rectangles. We also do the glitter felt squares if you would like to have something a bit sparkly. We've got Christmas plain cottons. We've got lots of Christmas colours if you want to make some patchwork or cushions. And as you can see, we've made our bunting. We do motifs. So if you would like a Christmas motif or maybe bling up a jumper, as I've done there. We have a Christmas shirt kit. Okay, and I'm wearing the shirt kit, as you can see, and it would look lovely for Christmas Day or maybe for your Christmas party. We do lots of cotton prints and fat quarters, and even a stocking that's been made there. So that would look nice. We've got Christmas ribbons. We've got braids. We've got pom-pom fringes. We do Elf on the Shelf kit, and these sneaky little owls, look what they're up to today. Not even up yet. We've got gonk kits if you want to do a Father Christmas gonk. We do oven gloves, so oven glove kits. This would look lovely for your Christmas turkey. We've also got velvets and furs and marabou. There's so much here. We've also got our Christmas pyjama kit, which we've made up. You could have Christmas bottoms for all the family. So come and have a look on our website. Goodbye.